Hey, I'm coming to you nice and live to show you how quick it is to actually perform this rap. My name is Tracy Majuri. My website is also tracymajuri.com. So at the very end, if this is something that you're interested in, you're more than welcome to go on my website and order for yourself. So I've been posting all these photos of my before when I start the rap, and then the middle, and then what it looks like that day 45 minutes later, and then the results tend to happen over 72 hours. So I actually wanted to show you how it is, how quick that I rap. So I'm going to show you now. This is where I am. I am a mom of 3 teenagers. So my oldest is 18, 15, and 13. So my kids are pretty older, and I have lost weight and gained weight. So I have these sludgy areas within my stomach that I want to get rid of. I want to tone and I want to tighten. So yes, I have a pretty clean diet. Yes, I exercise, but in order to make those areas pop through, I utilize the wraps. So when you get your wrap, they come in wraps of 4. So for me right now, I usually do them once a week. When I'm trying to be aggressive, like right now is the summer, I'm gonna do it every 72 hours. And I also, in private groups, kind of lead people on how to do this too as well. So once you get it, you open up. And this is all for me pre-going to work. Like after I finish here, I've already did my morning workout and I'm gonna go upstairs. I'm gonna start getting myself ready for work. After the 45 minutes, I should be ready to jump in the shower. So once you open it on up, it is fully infused with botanicals. What I usually do is go, because I want all my money in my stomach, I write all those areas on first, and then I just go ahead to open it. When you open it up, one side has the botanicals on it, which is the solution. The other side does not. So when you open it, you want to make sure that the area that you're trying to wrap is exposed towards the skin. So if you can see, I'm opening it, and if you see that solution, I know that it's there. So now what I'm going to do is take this and lean it out. You want to make sure that the area is clean and dry. It's not oily, it's dirty, like if you have to wash the area, dry it, make sure that there's no debris of soaps or oils, so therefore it can seep through the skin. So I'm going to take this, step back, I'm going to make sure that I get the lower portion of my ab and it's adhered to the skin. Now me, I have a waist trainer. I absolutely love this. Is my waist trainer. I love this because it does not shift, it does not move. When doing a wrap, one of the biggest mistakes that people do is to start to sweat or start doing additional things. You do not want to do that. There's a green fob that you can get from the company. You can use saran wrap, you can use a tight t-shirt. Me, I use my waist trainer. So I'm going to open this up. My waist trainer has a 3-prong to it and also a zip. You can get this on tracymajuri.com too as well, and it'll be shipped to you. And so I am on my 3rd hook. And if you want to see, this is that simple. And then now I'm down to the bottom. And then it also zips too as well. So again, you do not have to use a waist trainer. You can use the green fob that comes. You can order it with your wrap. I think it's like $4 or $5. You can use saran wrap. You can use a type t-shirt. Me, I use my waist trainer. So now if you can see, I'm all bottled up. And what I'm going to do is go get me 2 bottles of water while I'm ironing my clothes, getting myself ready. I'm going to drink those 2 bottles of water. Once I take this wrap off, I'm going to rub all the additional into my skin, and then I'm going to go. I'm going to take my pictures. I'm going to let everybody else see what the start of the day looked like now till now. Okay? So thank you so much for tuning in. If you want more information, you can always text me at 312-380-9592, or you can go on my website, tracymajuri.com, tracemadre.com. Thanks for tuning in. Talk to you later.